What are Shopify sessions? Shopify sessions represent the number of unique visits to your store within a specific time frame. Each session tracks a visitor's activity, including the pages they view, how long they stay, and whether they make a purchase, before leaving or becoming inactive. Sessions reset after 30 minutes of inactivity or when the visitor returns using a different device or browser. These sessions are a key part of Shopify Analytics, helping you understand how customers interact with your store. By monitoring session data, you can identify traffic trends, measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns, and determine which pages attract the most engagement. Higher session counts usually indicate growing visibility and customer interest. In real-world use, Shopify merchants rely on session data to optimize their stores for better performance. For example, they track how many visitors add products to carts versus those who leave, helping them improve design, product placement, or promotions. Understanding sessions is essential for improving conversions and tailoring your store experience. You can start using Shopify for free right now by clicking the link in description. It gives you instant access to detailed analytics, session tracking tools, and performance insights that help you understand your visitors and grow your store strategically.